All right, the law seems to be closing in around Souvik Chakrabarti and Riya even further. Times Now accesses the court order that says commercial quantity LSD was seized from drug peddler Anuj Keshwani. What does this mean for Riya and Souvik? Let's go across to Pranesh for those details. Yes.
Two serious charges by the Narcotics Control Bureau. One you've mentioned, Padmaja, commercial quantity of contraband, that is LSD, recovered from accused Anuj Keswani, and the other is evidence tampering. Now let me read this para 24. From the record, it is seen that accused Riya Chakrabarti and late Sushant Singh Rajput were in live-in relationship. Present accused, brother of accused Riya Chakrabarti, it is alleged that he procured drug for Sushant Singh Rajput on instruction of accused Riya Chakrabarti, and at some times he made payment. The drug that he arranged from accused Zaid Vilatra and Abdel Basit, the NCB had recovered WhatsApp chats and other electronic devices. The investigation is at a preliminary stage, and this is important. It says that further in the present case, the commercial quantity of contraband. Thus, in the present case, there is bar under Section 37 of the NDPS Act to release the accused on bail, which is why his bail was denied. Padmaja.
All right, stay with me, Pranesh. Let me also get in Siddhant, who's tracking the investigation very closely. The NCB seems to have, multiple rounds of questioning and evidence gathering that they have done. But parallelly, what's happening to the CBI investigation into the murder or the death of Sushant Singh Rajput? Siddhant, bring us up to speed.
Well, that's right, Padmaja. CBI is completely tight-lipped, but what we have managed to gather from our sources in CBI is that they are currently looking into the agreement of farmhouse, Sushant's Pavna Lake farmhouse. Now, we have been confirmed that that on 11th and 12th, Sushant was told that that he has to renew the agreement of the farmhouse, to which he replied that he wants to end the agreement with the farmhouse owner, as he was told that the 26 lakhs were paid for 2 years, but on 11th June he got to know actually 26 lakhs were paid only for 1 year. So Sushant felt that he was not being informed properly by his own team, and it was Samuel Hokip who prepared the agreement of Sushant's farmhouse, and that was a reason that Sushant asked Dipesh Sawant to end all the agreement with the farmhouse owner and to sell the furnitures and send the dogs, the pets, for the adoption. So that was a conversation he had with Dipesh Sawant, and that has come during the course of an interrogation of CBI. Now CBI has asked all the people related to the CBI has been grilling the people related to the farmhouse. The farmhouse owners have already submitted the documents of the farmhouse with the Central Bureau of Investigation. Samuel Hokip is being grilled.
Okay.
We've also been told that CBI has retrieved certain chats of Samuel Hokip with Sushant Singh Rajput. He was allegedly, kind of threatening Sushant Singh Rajput. So this has so far come in CBI's investigation.
All right, thanks very much, Pranesh and Siddhant, for having joined us. Times Now's Newsbreak, meanwhile, has been confirmed. Where, remember, on Friday we had first told you that more Bollywood A-listers have been identified by the NCB. The Narcotics Control Bureau today confirmed that names of actors Sara Ali Khan and Rakul Preet Singh did surface during Riya Chakrabarti's investigation in connection to the drug case linked to Sushant Singh Rajput's death. As per sources, it was Sara who procured narcotics and contraband from Riya and vice versa. She even bought contraband from a peddler who used to cater to Riya and also from other syndicates. Sources also say that the NCB is likely to summon Sara next week, but before that, the agency is set to crack down on the syndicates who were in touch with all of these actors. Siddhant continues with us. Explain to us how this network worked.
Well, you see, today was the seventh detention or interception by the agency, and the fact here is that many more peddlers will be picked in next 2 days. Now, Suryadeep Malhotra is a school friend of Souvik Chakrabarti. On many occasions, Souvik had sourced in marijuana and stuff for Sushant Singh Rajput, and this has come during the course of an interrogation. And we've also been confirmed by our sources that the marijuana, which was the bud bud which was supplied to Sushant Singh Rajput was not of a standard quality, and perhaps this could be a reason that Sushant Singh Rajput was consuming a drug, marijuana, of a bad quality mixed with chemicals. So this has also been found. Now you take Zayed, you take Anuj Keshwani, a fellow who got arrested from Goa, then Surdeep Malhotra, Zayed Vilatra. So all these are the big fish as far as the business of drugs are concerned in Mumbai city. This is what NCB is saying, that these people were at the apex of the supply chain, and they were into supplying even chemicals, which includes LSD. And this has also come during a course of an interrogation. Now yesterday KJ was nabbed. Today Surdeep Malhotra was nabbed, and they all have direct links with Shouvik Chakraborty. Now Shouvik was somebody who was very much connected to this entire cartel. He has lot of friends, lot of contacts in this drug business. This is what NCB is telling us, and through them he used to source it for Sushant Singh Rajput's house. It was Dipesh and Samuel Miranda, those who used to go and pick those drugs carrying a bag. This has also come during an interrogation. Now, agency is also looking at the fact that who else other than them were in touch with Shouvik Chakraborty, and who is the biggest fish of this drugs in Mumbai city. So that particular fellow will also be intercepted soon.
All right. Thanks very much, Siddhant. In fact, stay with me, because Times Now also spoke to Sushant's former driver who used to work with him when Kedarnath and Chichore had released around that time. The driver has now revealed that he never saw Sushant taking drugs at that time.
केदारनाथ रिलीज होने वाला था, तभी हम उनके ड्राइवर थे, और छिछोरे का शूट चालू था आईटी पवई में।
अच्छा, तो तभी आपने किन के साथ उनकी दोस्ती थी तभी?
दोस्ती का तो मालूम नहीं सर, आते कहीं जाते नहीं थे, और सीधा शूट से घर से शूट, और जिम जाते थे ताजलैंड बांद्रा में, और वाटर स्टोन क्लब है एयरपोर्ट के बाजू में, उधर जाते थे स्विमिंग करते।
सारा अली खान को भी देखा है आपने?
हाँ, सारा अली खान तभी उस समय उनके साथ थी।
उनके साथ थी? मतलब कितना टाइम आपने देखा है? मतलब 2-3 महीना देखा है?
अब 2.5 महीना जब तक मैं था तब तक तो वो थे साथ
में थे? हाँ। एक दूसरे के घर पे जाना आना होता था?
यस।
उधर? हाँ। आप ही लेके जाते होंगे?
1-2 बार मैं भी लेके गया था।
और वो भी घर पे आती थी?
हाँ, आती थी।
और ये जो मतलब बेसिकली बोल रहे हैं कि ड्रग्स भी लेते थे, तो सारा अली खान का कुछ ऐसा?
सर देखो, मैं देखा नहीं तो कैसे बोल दूँ, मैं 2.5 महीना था, मेरे सामने तो कुछ किए नहीं।
All right, that's as far as this investigation is concerned. Remember, the net closing in, and also now the NCB confirming that it wasn't just Riya Chakraborty alone, but other big names were also procuring drugs from this drug syndicate in Mumbai.